Hi guys, good morning here. How you doing? You know, we're just doing some dumb stuff on the Kouki. So I don't know, something came up. I ended up with this crazy body kit, straight from Need for Speed Underground 2. No, so the guy I got the car from, he got another Kouki, and he wanted to go OEM body, and they had a Bmagic kit on the Kouki that he had, so picked it up from him. Has 30mm overs in the front, the full Bmagic kit. I'm gonna order rears, I guess. Anthony wants to cut my car up for some reason, and I had to pull the front fender off anyways, because I gave him the passenger side because he gave me the overs for the front. So that's what me and Anthony are going to be doing today. We're going to try to get this thing fitted up with some self tappers and electric scissors and all that stuff. So I don't know, check up with you as progress goes. Anthony's lower than a Skittle on a Friday night.
I never heard of electric scissors before, right? You heard of electric scissors?
That's a die grinder, dude.
Die grinder. Yeah.
All right, so we got the whole front end ripped apart here. Anthony, you want to give us a little rundown on what you did, bud?
I pulled off the fenders and the fender liner. Pulled the chicken wire off this thing. now she's starting to look like a unit.
No, I just actually wanted to get a little video on how clean frame rails and stuff were on this thing. None of this. Oh boy! Excuse my Alibaba tripod thing here. Oh shit, dude. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing, dude. But no, so yeah, I mean, literally not, I don't think we broke one bolt or anything coming off.
Nope.
I think he broke a plastic retaining clip. I'm not gonna be able to find that nowhere.
You have
so yeah, I guess we had to take the bumper support off to fit this bumper. If not, it's gonna look ugly. You're gonna see it through the hole. I had to run to the hardware store and get some hardware for this mamma jamma. Oh. Couldn't find it, dude.
What?
Appreciate it.
What?
Couldn't find it.
Find what?
The bolts.
Why do you have a bag of bolts?
How long was I in there for?
7 minutes.
Here you go, bud.
Oh yeah. Shit, dude.
Bro, I just spent $40 in bolts. I'm serious. I got those 6mm flat washers. I got metric nuts. Gotta keep it JDM, you know.
Metric.
I got those bad mamma jammas. And I got the good old self tappers just in case fitment ain't correct.
Hell yeah, dude.
right.
Oh,
Let's go back before it rains. Here, hold this.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah. Aww.
That is so cold.
Probably because you had the AC on for an hour. Bro. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're starting to actually run out of daylight now, and it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. So we're gonna call it for now. So I would say the kit definitely doesn't fit very well. It's been repaired a couple times, so it fits pretty good. It's not horrible, but front bumpers on, fenders are on. They need to be adjusted for sure. I'm gonna get my buddy Frank to kind of like set the gaps where they need to go. Like he's really good at this kind of stuff, so I'm sure you guys will see that in a future video. But I mean, it's not horrible. This thing looks bad because, you know, it has moss and sea cucumbers growing out of it and everything. But we took the spoiler off too. I mean, this thing is a unit. We put a side skirt on, but they need to be trimmed a lot to fit properly the way I want them to. And it's dark now, so we're gonna hold off on that until the next one. But as soon as we get the kit on the way we like it, then we're gonna take it all back apart and get it ready for paint. So I think it looks pretty aggressive. We got the black hole gobbler going on the back. Ain't that what it's called? Huh?
Yeah, the old black hole gobbler, dude.
But yeah, I don't know. I gotta get. What was wrong with the corner lights? Why didn't we put them in?
Because fenders need to be trimmed.
Oh yeah. So the Kouki fenders have like a little notch on the inside for the little this little arm to like kind of go up and over to bolt in, and it's not on that one. So I had to trim it, and they were already on before I noticed it. So I'm not taking it back apart today. So we got to do that. I'm gonna order new corner lights anyway. I actually, unfortunately, need a headlight. It wasn't a small collision over here, but it didn't look that bad. I didn't think it got into the headlight, but when we took it apart, the bracket was actually broken on the headlight. I kind of rigged it in. It works. It lined up good, but unfortunately, I'm gonna have to find a replacement headlight. But gonna have a bunch of Kouki stuff for sale if anyone's interested. And then we're gonna, can't wait to start on this bad mamma jam over here. It's a 1992 Buick Century. It's pretty nice. You all right, bud?
I thought you were talking about like the neighbor's car.
No, talking about yours.
Oh, my Buick Regal?
Buick Regal. So, I don't know. It is what it is. Also, you know, wheels, coilovers, all that is going to be getting ordered pretty soon. What do you guys think about the spoiler? I love S14s. They have to either be without a spoiler completely and shaved, or a big, like you know, big old wang. So I don't know. Guess we'll see what it looks like once it's painted. We have a Big Country Labs wing sitting in the garage that I might be able to talk someone out of. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about wheels. I suck at picking wheels. So I also probably going to do, they're not that aggressive though, honestly. They don't really look like 30s in the front, right?
Well, your wheels are turned.
That's true, yeah. So we have 30 millimeter fenders in the front. So, I mean, I don't really want to cut up the quarters, but I'm thinking about just doing overs to give it the like wider stance all the way around. So I don't know, a lot to come, a lot of thinking to do. Hopefully get this thing dropped off this week to Frank and see if he can get this kit to fit the way it should. and give them some money to do it, because I don't have the patience for this stuff. But all right, till next time, do the outro song.
What's the outro song?
We're gonna get a copyright strike for that one, bud.
Oh shit.